better be careful, dude.
Okay. Really, this is happening right now? I'm excited. I didn't realize.
For Loko. Ah, jeez. Oh, it smells horrible.
I know I want it right now. Will you make that happen and you can send it to me? All right. Maybe my video.
Drink it, dude.
Bad decision. For Logan, is a bad decision in glass?
I know, I'm kind of. This is pretty fucking stupid.
Or in a can? As Long Island iced teas are a bad decision.
Dude, you're spilling half of it on the floor. Come on.
You're really come on, do it. Do it.
It's not a real shotgun if you don't do it.
Okay.
Whole thing.
He's already hammered.
Yeah.
Go! No, make it happen. Do it.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah.
Chug it.
Oh, that's horrible.
This
That's
is.
awful.
Go to bed now!
Oh my god.
Really?
Oh, man.
Did you finish it?
Oh, he doesn't look good.
Oh my god.
He doesn't look good.
Oh my god.
Go to bed! Blackout.
Jesus Christ.
You fucking did.
I'm really glad that happened.
Oh my god.
I'm so happy.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yes.
That makes my day that
Yes.
I saw that.
He doesn't look good.
Oh, good.
It hurts.
I want to wait.
I like
I
how
want to wait for it.
Oh my gosh. I gotta see this shit. Oh no! There it goes.
Oh, it's. Where is he going?
Get away from the cars, dude. Get away from the cars. Oh shit.
Oh, it's. Oh God!
Oh god.
Oh damn!
Oh god.
It's just science. It's just science.
It's just.
It's,
One more.
Oh shit. Sorry, dude.
oh God! Oh man, he's all right. To the hospital.
Mazel tov.
Get this man another.